Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a shortcut on Google Chrome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Google Chrome keeps shortcuts to your most visited sites on its homepage. If you don't find this list useful, you can either individually remove the shortcuts or hide all the shortcuts at once. So in this video, I will show you how to remove the shortcut on your Google Chrome. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add shortcut, and now I will show you how to remove it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Google Chrome. So as you can see in here, I have three shortcuts on my Google Chrome, and I want to remove one of them. For example, I want to remove YouTube Studio, so you can just hover your cursor to the shortcut that you want to remove until you find there's like three dots on the shortcut. You can just select on that. There is an option remove. You can just select on that. You can select on remove. So now you can see there's no more YouTube Studio on my Google Chrome shortcut. And also if you want to delete this one, you can just select on remove if you want to remove. But if you want to edit the shortcut, you can select on edit. Maybe you want to change the shortcut name or the URL, you can just edit shortcut. But to remove it, you can just select on remove. And if you want to add new shortcut, you can just select on add shortcut. You can enter the shortcut name and also the URL. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove shortcut in Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.